What if you can earn $300 per day by just typing in names? Type in James, for example, and you will get paid. Type Carl, and you will get paid. Now, when you type in Bree, you get paid. Now, this is absolutely an incredible opportunity for you and for everyone who is looking for ways in making money online. So let me show you your earning potential. Now, whenever you type a page of names, you earn $50. Now, when you type 5 page of names, you earn $75 in 20 pages of names, and you earn $300. Now that is absolutely a lot. We just have to utilize the internet and not give up on this. This, on the other hand, is also absolutely available for free, and it's available worldwide. So you don't need to invest money or spend anything. But before we start, welcome to Money Making Girl, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's start the video. Right now, I want you to go to talentdesire.com. Your dream careers starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. Now this is absolutely for free. Now if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that they also offer different jobs, such as online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language transition jobs, and so much more. Now, as you can see, you can earn from $5 to hundreds of dollars per day. Now you can even earn up to $20,000 a month. But today we will be focusing on online typing jobs. You can earn up to $45 to $90 or more per day now as your skills and experience grow. So with your bank account, I want you to click on this red button right here. 3 more. Now you can earn up to $35,000 up to $27,000 or more per year. And again, as your skills and experience grows, so will your bank account. Now as for the joining fee, registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after joining. And they don't ask about investment to you on any stage. Now right here, you can see the payment depending on the level you are in now, ranging from beginner to expert. Now I will be showing you a tip or a trick so that even if you are still a beginner, you can earn the amount of the experts make. So this website is the first bonus step that I will be showing you in today's video. Now go to rattatype.com. Now this is the homepage of the website. And as you can see, you can take free typing tests here. Now click on this yellow button here. And then you will land on this pop-up page. So you can then start the typing test using your phone or your computer. Now click on this yellow button to begin. Now the reason why I want you to take the typing test, it's because this website gives you a free online certificate, which is very helpful for you. So right here, when we type, you can see that they calculate your speed and the accuracy, meaning that you do not have any misspelled words or any errors. So as you can see here, that your accuracy should be between 98% to 99.99%. Now if your accuracy is below 98%, work will be returned and payments will hold till resubmitting the sudden work. So when you take a test on this website, they can see your typing speed and accuracy. And that's going to give you the higher rating on this website, where you can then start earning 20 cents, which is the highest rate on this website for expert diapers. So if you take a test and you get low results, you can always retake the test. This way, you'll also be able to practice more of your typing speed. Now once you are done with your test, you can sign up with your email. Now you can create an account here, including your name, email address, and password. I want you to click on these boxes right here, and then sign up. Now once you are signed up, you'll then be logged in. And you'll see here the results of that I have now. When you scroll down, you can actually see my certificate here. So you can see here what the certificate says. There is also a date here and a signature from rajatype.com. So when you scroll down a bit, you can see a print button right here. I want you to click on that. Now don't worry, because you don't have to let the really print the certificate. You can just save this as a PDF like so. Now, as you can see here, this is my actual certificate. Now once you get your certificate, you can begin to apply for this job on the ballotdesire.com. Now you want you to scroll to the very bottom of this website. I want you to click on this red apply button. Now when you are here on this page, I want you to scroll down just a little bit. And then if you see this, select an application form. I want you to click on that. You'll then land here, where you can find application form for work at home jobs. Now click on online application form and look for this red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. So when you are here, all you need to do is fill up some information right now. Click on this to accept the privacy policy, then fill out the rest. So in the preferred job title, I want you to type in professional data entry specialist. And now about the time. Now you can select the time that you want. But you can select all day because it will give you more job opportunities. So right here, you can select where you want to get paid, or right now, as you can see here, you can select one of these. And let me just select PayPal, so you can pick your current profession. And for example, let me just use freelancer. Now once you are done with all of these, tick this box here about the terms, and then your signature, just put it right here. Now you just have to put in your whole name right here. Now in my case, let me just put in top wealth secrets. Then you can check the I'm not a robot box, and then submit. As simple as that. Now, once you are accepted, you can begin receiving by being named projects, like this one where you can receive up to $15 per page, and all you need are 300 words. And again, one name is equal to one word. So basically all you are going to do is just type in 300 names, and that's how easy it is in today's method. Once again, your accuracy should be between 98% to 99%. Because if your gear say is below 98%, word will then be returned and payments will hold the tail, resubmitting the said rate. So it is actually really important to avoid mistakes when piping. And again, if you haven't passed the set gray area, you can repeat that piping test again and again until you pass the criteria.